Here I'm asked to solve for all of the roots or find all x values. So in this one here, in the first one, I'm going to expect to get 4 answers. In the second one, I'm going to expect to get 3 answers. As I go through this, I'm going to use the possible rational root theorem to find all my possible solutions, and then some synthetic division to start checking them. So there are a lot of factors of 192. So I have to do all of them, which includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16. And again, I don't necessarily need to list all of these off because, again, really I could just start with whichever one I wanted to. I could just start with one and get going. But just to kind of show you, there are lots of possibilities here. And so this problem could take a long time. Hopefully one of our answers will pop up early enough, but I'm going to take a second to start plugging some in using synthetic division to see what I get here. So I'll start with +1, and then I'll kind of go down the list using the negatives as well. So using the coefficients here, I'm going to start trying these out. Okay, after trying the first 2, they didn't work, but 2 ends up giving me the right answer here. And so what that means is that my equation now gets factored into x minus 2, and then x cubed plus 6x squared plus 16x plus 96. And so as I kind of keep going here, I'm going to use this as my new equation and start trying to plug in values into there. So it's going to take me a little time to get through this. I would just keep plugging these numbers in, but just to keep this a shorter video, I'm going to go ahead and I know specifically because I've kind of gone through that -6 ends up working. So 1, 6, 16, and 96. 1, this becomes -6, 0, 0, 16, -96, and 0. And so now after factoring it, I got x minus 2, x plus 6, and then x squared plus 16. And so I factored it fully here. Now I'm just going to solve these by setting each of them equal to 0. And I'm going to get my 4 answers of 2, -6, and then x squared equals -16. I take the square root, and because it's a negative, I get plus or minus 4i. So there are my 4 solutions. For the next one here, I need a little space from the other one here. Again, I list the possible rational roots, so plus or minus 1, 3, 9, and 27. And as I get started here, again, just for sake of time, I know that -3 ends up working. So you should be going through and trying a bunch of them until you get to -3, which, again, the past videos you probably saw me do, but 1, 3, 9, and 27. So I bring down this, I get 0, I get -27. So now it becomes x plus 3, and then x squared plus 9. And then I set each piece equal to 0. And I get my 3 solutions of -3, +3i, and -3i.